Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Jotform account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you get the HTML embed code for your Jotform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the HTML embed code for your Jotform anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing websites, you know it's important to have a lead capture form in your website to gather those emails, whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Jotform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Jotform and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need the HTML embed code for one of your forms, first here on the left, you're going to click on all forms. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the Jotforms that you have. You can see I just have this one right here. And in order to get the HTML embed code, you're just going to hover over the form until it turns purple like this. And then off to the right, you're going to see this button here called More. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you'll see this big menu, but click on this button here, Publish Form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here at the top. And to get the HTML embed code, click right here on this button, Embed. Okay, so here is the embed code. So you can just click on Copy Code. Now you can go ahead and embed this as an HTML code onto your website using WordPress or Wix or whatever website design service that you use. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get the HTML embed code for your Jotform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.